Hi there, I'm Vicki from Aussie Stampers. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a giveaway. This is the giveaway for the month of March and this is the prize. So I'm going to show you the prize. And in order to enter this giveaway, you need to be a member of our Facebook group, which is Stampers Art Gallery. So if you haven't joined up over there, do that now. I'll put the link underneath. And it's a really friendly group of crafters, and you can put any brand of products, any style, any type of paper crafting at all over in Stampers Art Gallery. So this is what I'm giving away. It's a stamp set called Epic Celebrations, which would be great for a teenager or for a guy. And I'm going to give away this card, which is made using coloured card and envelope kit, and a little die cut on the middle. So there's a card that you can send off to somebody, and I'm going to give away a paper share of these particular papers over here. These have a gold foil. Now it's not going to show up brilliantly on camera, but this is a really soft blue. Oh, I think you can see it quite well there. This is an orange colour. This is the same colour as the card, so that's that lemon lime twist colour, and this colour too. Beautiful foil papers, and they're really quite thick. You can see on the back they are regular craft cardstock, quite heavy. So that's the prize. If you'd like to be in it, all you need to do is enter into our competition over on Stampers Art Gallery. So I hope to see you over there, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.